Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to print the characters from A to Z in Java. So this is a very simple program. We have already explained in the previous video tutorial how to find SC value for any character, right? So we know that the SC value for A is 65. That means it is a kind of integer representation of the character. So A has a SC value as 65, B has 66, C has 67 and so on. So it keeps increasing by 1. So here we are simply going to take a for loop, and within that we will run this for loop starting from this A. Means it will start from A and till it is reaching this capital Z, it will continue to print that, and it will keep increasing the value of the character C. So initially this value A, suppose it is at 65, then when we are printing it, it will print A, right? And then for the next one it will print B, and for the next one it will print C, and so on. So it keeps printing, and if we execute this one, we will see that A to Z will get printed. See, we see that it is getting printed on the screen from A to Z. Now there is no gap between it, so we should just make a little bit of adjustment in it and just add a space, and now if we execute, there will be a space between each letter. Now see, it is having a space between each letter because we have introduced space. That means what will happen is it will print A, and with A it will print this one space also that we are seeing, and that is why when it prints up to this. It prints the character and then one space. Then again in the next iteration it will print B along with the space, right? So we get from A to Z as seen on the screen. Now we can also write the same in a different way. For example, let's see this one. Now instead of character we are taking it as int C is equals to A. Now if we convert this character A to integer, then we know that it will print the SC value, right? So at this place A will have the value 65. If you are not able to understand, please visit the video tutorial where we have shown how to find the SC value of any character, and then you will be easily able to relate this. Now what happens is this A is converted to int, right? So it will give the SC value. That means A's SC value is 65. And now if you print this, then let's see. If you print this, now you will see the SC value for all the characters. Okay, so the output has came just after Z ended because there is no new line introduced. So we are printing in the same line. So let's introduce one new line, remove this one and just have a new line, print ln. So now we see there is a print ln, and now this for loop's output will get printed in the new line. So now execute again, and now see, now you can see that A has here we are printing simply from A to Z, and here we are printing the SC value of each character because we are converting it to integer type. And see, for A the SC value is 65, for B it is 66, for C it is 67, and so on. If you go on till Z, you will see that SC value for Z is 90. Now what you can do is, instead of printing the SC value, what you want is you want to print from A to Z, right? So in that case, just convert this SC value to character. That means typecast it to character type. And now once it is typecasted to character type, and now if you execute, now you will see instead of 65, 66, 67, it will also print A, B, C, D. See, now it is not printing the SC value, rather it is printing the letters A, B, C, D, and so on. So this is because we have converted each SC value to its respective character value, and 65 SC values respective character value is A, and thus we see A, B, C, D, and so on, as the value goes on increasing from 65 to 66, 67. So it gets printing A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on, right? Now you can also do this. as now you have understood that SC value is from 65 represents A and 90 represents Z. So in this case, now what you can do is, here you have taken it as integer type, right? So when you print, just typecast it to character and then execute it. This will also give you A to Z. Just introduce one new line so that we can see the output for the third for loop in third line. See, this is also printing A to Z. So you can follow any approach, whichever you like. All will give you the same output, right? If you want to go ahead to print from A to, that means lowercase a to lowercase g, then you can just change it from lowercase a to lowercase g and execute this, and you will get from lowercase a to lowercase g. See, for the first output you are getting from lowercase a to lowercase g because we have changed the value from lowercase a to lowercase g, right? And here we have not made any changes, so we are still getting the uppercase outputs. Hope it helps. And now you have 3 ways to print from A to Z using for loop. So hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.